How you can see the deleted messages into your Snapchat. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how we can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your Snapchat. Now from here you have to go into your profile and click on the gear icon that is in the top right corner and go in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down until you find the option of the privacy controls, and here in it you have to go in the my data. So once you click on it, as you can see that here is the option to log in into your Snapchat account. So you just have to add your username into your Snapchat login, and after that you just have to click on the next and you have to add the password. So once you add all of that, you have the option to add the appeal and you have to add it. So once you add it, you have to send the mail to the Snapchat and wait for the response. So once they respond to your report, then you are able to recover all of your deleted chats into your Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.